How do? Right, I've got some more paint, and this can's even worse than the first one. So it's absolutely bloody everywhere. It's only there and there and still more there and there and everywhere. So I'll not be buying any more of that. A lot of bloody rubbish. Right, but that's done, and that side's done. I just need to let it dry off a bit more, and then I'll just mask it off around the edges, and then I'll stick the gold on. Bloody hell. Bloody gold paint was just as bad. Bloody everywhere. But most of it went in the right places. So I'll show you a bit more in a minute. Oh, there's a bit of, yeah, a bit more progress. Right, hopefully I don't arse this bit up. So hopefully it doesn't dribble down and just stays red. Right, I'll give that a minute. Right, this might look like there's been a massacre in Tony Hart's workshop. Poor Morph's been absolutely destroyed, but this looks like a space marine. I haven't finished the big medallion yet, but I'll get that finished, and then we'll get it all set up in the truck. And then once it's all, well, once I finish that bit, we'll get it in the truck, and then we'll show off, ready for the weekend. Get in. Had to get the cog, just do an extra one. Tell you what, that's looking the part. I'll get the skull on, and then it'll be the business. Pleased with that. Right, last bit. So clever me didn't make sure that I had enough white paint, and I've just run out. So let's start taking these bits off and see if it's actually okay. Oh, that's half a job. Right, let's see if I can pick that out. Probably not, without making mistakes, but come on, damn it. That's mostly there. I just need to put in a few little bits of teeth on the other side of his dark nostril, but yeah, considering I've got no paint. Oh, it's slightly off centre, but never mind. for a quick job. That'll do for now. Right, finishing touches, and then I'll fit everything in place. Oh, while that's drying, I need to get that welded on, so I'll do that as well. So, right, a few little touch-ups, and then we can crack on. Right, that's the head welded on with some deep fried paint on top because the weld's still hot. As it, that's, well, almost carryable. I think some of the paint's still a little bit tacky as well, so I've managed to put a dirty fingerprint on there, but never mind. I'm going to see if I can get this out on the truck now without burning my fingers too much, and then I'll show it off, and then I'm going to get down to the local car meet. Right then, job done. This looks like it could be a shrine for the Emperor here to show me respect there. So overall, for all that was made of bits of stuff lying around, and I just happen to find that blue top, which I'm going to be using on the Haflinger eventually, that came out quite well. So I'm going to go down to the local car meet and show off. Get in. Right, pleased with that. A little bit more tidying up to do on the big truck, ready for the car show on the weekend. I'll see you in a bit.